A lot has changed in the job market this year, with layoffs becoming common, the advancements in technology, and the economic slowdown. Are you wondering which skills will keep you relevant in today's job market? In today's video, I will focus on top 5 tech skills that you should consider learning and the average salary you can expect for each of these skills. Before I get started, a reminder to 85% of you who haven't yet subscribed to my channel to do so now and click on the notification bell icon so that you can be reminded every time I release a new video. I spend a lot of time every week creating this content for you, and your support means the world to me. Your subscription helps with channel growth, lets me know that you find value in the content that I bring to you, and inspires me to bring these powerful videos to you. So now that we have you subscribed, let's get started. The first skill that I want to talk about is AI skills. AI is everywhere. It's making an impact on every field, from retail to healthcare. Almost every organization today has at least one AI initiative. To stay relevant, you must be a part of this change. By learning AI, you can reduce the risk of being sidelined or replaced. If you learn AI, there are multiple options that will open up for you. If you're from an engineering background, you can become an AI engineer and develop AI models and algorithms. You can also become a prompt engineer. You can become an AI product manager. The opportunities are huge. There are also openings for AI data scientists who analyze and interpret large data sets to extract valuable insights. There are opportunities for research scientists who conduct research on AI algorithms and applications. Product managers who oversee the development and launch of AI-powered products. AI ethics specialists to ensure ethical development and use of AI technologies. And then there are AI consultants who provide expertise and guidance on AI implementations. The opportunities are huge if you develop an AI skill set. In these AI roles, you're looking at a salary between 135K to 250K based on your skills and experience. In India, you can expect a salary between 15 to 35 lakhs per annum. The next skill that I want to talk about, which ties into AI, is machine learning. Machine learning is the core of AI. So if you want to become an AI engineer, you have to know about machine learning. As a machine learning engineer, you will train and create various models depending on specific tasks. So if you thought that machine learning was something that was relevant and current a few years ago, but maybe is not so relevant today, you're mistaken. For machine learning engineers, you're looking at a salary range of anywhere between 150K to 250K in the US and between 12 to 30 lakhs in India. I already have a video on my YouTube channel on free resources to develop these skills, including my LinkedIn learning courses. I'll add those links in the description so that you can get access to the free resources to build all these tech skills that we are talking about today. Next, let's talk about cybersecurity. With the increase in cyber attacks and data breaches, cybersecurity has become one of the most critical fields in the tech. Every company, irrespective of its size, needs to ensure that its data, applications, and networks are secure. There are different roles that are available in cybersecurity, such as a security analyst role, a pen tester or a penetration tester role, or a security engineer role. Now, the concept of red teaming is also becoming very popular. It's becoming so popular that I just recorded a course with LinkedIn Learning on red teaming. Cybersecurity is a field that's expanding in a big way. Professionals with little or no cybersecurity background now have a chance to break into this field. Now let's talk about some of the roles that are available in the cybersecurity arena. A security analyst role is a role that's responsible for monitoring and responding to security incidents, analyzing security breaches, and implementing solutions to prevent them in future. A penetration tester tries to find vulnerabilities in the system before malicious attackers can exploit it. A security engineer designs and implements systems and solutions to protect an organization's IT infrastructure. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals will continue to grow, making it a lucrative and stable career choice. While the US salary range for cybersecurity roles is anywhere between 105K to 300K, in India the range is about 8 lakhs to 22 lakhs. All emerging technologies like Gen AI and machine learning usually sit on cloud, and that brings us to the next skill, which is cloud computing. With more and more companies moving their operations to cloud computing is becoming an essential skill in the tech industry. Cloud computing professionals manage and maintain cloud infrastructures, ensure that the applications and services are running smoothly, and are also responsible for the move to the cloud or migration efforts. The four major cloud providers are AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, GCP, which is Google Cloud Platform, and also Oracle Cloud. So these are the four companies that are big providers of cloud, and any skills that you develop, either cloud in general or specific to these cloud computing companies, will help you in the long run. There are several roles in cloud computing, such as cloud architect, cloud engineer, and cloud consultant. A cloud architect is someone who designs the architect of the cloud systems, ensuring that they meet the overall objectives of an organization. A cloud engineer is responsible for building and maintaining these systems, while a cloud consultant helps organizations make decisions about their cloud strategy. Average salary for a cloud professional in India ranges anywhere between 10 lakhs to 35 lakhs per annum, while in US it's anywhere between 120k to 250k. With the growing adoption of cloud technologies, these roles are high in demand, and cloud computing skills will stay relevant in the years to come. I have two courses on cloud computing on LinkedIn Learning. Both are available for free with LinkedIn Premium. The link is in the description. If you have LinkedIn Premium, please go check out those courses to build your skills on cloud computing. Tied to cloud computing is the next skill, which is DevOps. Essentially, DevOps bridges the gap between operations and development. DevOps engineers set up the entire pipeline, including the CI/CD pipelines, and automate the processes. In DevOps, there's two main roles. There's a DevOps engineer and there's a site reliability engineer. A DevOps engineer builds and maintains pipelines, ensures that the product and services launch smoothly, and automates various processes. A site reliability engineer, on the other hand, maintains the reliability of the system, ensuring that nothing goes down or breaks, and also tracks the performance of the system. Now, the average salary for a DevOps professional is between 18 to 30 lakhs in India and between 110k to 200k in the US. Now, we talked about all these technologies: AI, machine learning, cloud computing. All these technologies like AI and generative AI use data as their base. So data continues to be in the forefront. Companies collect vast amount of data and require professionals to analyze and process this data to extract meaningful insights. And that's why they need data scientists and data analysts to process the data and make sense of it. As technologies grow, the need to make the most out of data will also grow. Companies will always need skilled professionals who can make sense of their data and help them with informed decisions. And that's why mastering data-related skills is a valuable investment in your career. In the US, data professionals make anywhere between 95k to 180k, and in India, the range is between 8 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum. So those are the 5 top tech skills to learn in 2024: AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, DevOps, and data skills. 5 areas in which you should be investing your time to stay relevant. Each of these fields offers a wide range of roles with attractive salaries and a very strong growth potential. By investing time and effort to mastering one of these skills, you can position yourself for a successful and a rewarding career in the tech industry. Make sure to leverage all the free resources that I have provided in the description to learn these skills. And if you found this video useful, I would love for you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Over 85% of people who watch my videos have not subscribed yet, and your subscribing to my channel would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a successful week. Bye-bye.